think I was inspired. I lost a brother a couple years ago to dementia, Alzheimer's. I think it was just time to make a meaningful gift. We've had a lot of different gifts to a lot of different charities, but I think this one was time to investigate just the neuroscience department, what the brain can do, and breakthroughs I think that I'm looking forward to in the next 10 years. Well, I hope people don't get confused by the name right here, Pickup, that they've got to maybe pick up the patient or something of that nature. But really, I'm kind of following in the footsteps. I've been close to Ron Simon, who contributed in the program, played golf with Bill Gross, John Kersey, Byron Arenbaugh. I'm just kind of following in the steps of people that I've looked up to that have participated and made contributions to the hospital. There have been breakthroughs in the cancers and the cardiology and other particular areas, and there's so much that is not known in the brain. I just hope in the next 10 years that I'm around to be able to see or get back to the 20th year of celebration for neuroscience.